Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we got hold some new problem in which they are saying the scalar this, this, this equals. So, they have given you three vectors vector A, vector B plus C, vector A plus B plus C. So, you are multiplying three vectors in such a way so that at the end you will get a scalar quantity. Means what? It is scalar triple product. Correct. So if it is scalar triple product, you know that first you have to go through the cross one. Okay, so look at this, how we will solve. So it is vector A dot B plus C cross A plus B plus C. Okay, so first we will go with the cross idea. So first it is B cross A, so B cross A. Second, it is B cross B. So B cross B, why cross? Because in between them we have cross. So B cross B means what? Mod B, and then mod B, and then sine theta means angle between B and B is 0. So sine 0 is what? 0. So B cross B will become 0. Then we have B cross C. So can I write plus B cross C? So done with B. Now focus on C. So with C with A will become what? C cross A. You have to write in priority order. Okay. So C will be first. Then we have C cross B. C cross B. Then we have C cross C as what? 0. Okay. So no need to go further. So this is your part. Now here if you'll observe, it is B cross C, it is C cross B. So if you will change the location, here we will have minus sign. So can I say that this thing gone? We are left with this thing and this thing. We cannot simplify that part a little bit further. So it is B cross A plus C cross A. Now if you will do dot with this, don't you think that it is vector A dot B cross A? So suppose that this is first vector. So in the determinant part, you will write A1, A2, A3. In second row, you will be writing B1, B2, B3. In the third row, again you will write A1, A2, A3. This means what? The row 1 and row 3 is same. This means what? It is 0. Correct? In determinant, we have studied that if any two row or two column contains the same elements, its determinant value will become 0. So this part becomes 0. Now if you will solve this, again you will have first row and the third row to be same. So again it is 0. So can I say that the scalar quantity corresponding to this equation will come out to be 0? I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of Mathflix.